local for you. NBC4 at 5:30 starts now.
On Monday, a trial will begin for what's become a controversial topic that has to do with transgender youth and transgender athletes. Thanks for sticking with us at 5:30. I'm Kyle Beachy.
And I'm Jennifer Bullock. NBC4 State House reporter Natalie Fahmy has been following the developments for more than a year now. She joins us live to tell us where things currently stand. Natalie?
Jennifer, Kyle, there have been a lot of twists and turns to get this law enacted. There was a veto by the governor, then a veto override by the legislature, and now the law that was supposed to become effective about 4 months ago is held up in court.
We have a responsibility as a society, a moral responsibility to protect kids. They're our greatest asset.
We want to make sure Ohio is home for everyone, whether you're cisgender or transgender. This should be home for all.
That's Sam Shim, a parent of a transgender teenager.
It's personal for my family.
He says the law, known as the Saving Adolescents from Experimentation Act, has given both his family and many others pause.
I think if this law is upheld, we have to make some tough choices. Do we wait till we're 18 to seek gender-affirming care, or do we choose to go to another state, or do we choose to move?
It was supposed to go into effect back in April, but has been put on hold by a Franklin County judge. The law aims to ban minors from receiving gender-affirming care, like hormone blockers in Ohio. It would also prohibit mental health professionals from diagnosing a minor for a gender-related condition without screening the minor for other medical conditions or signs of abuse. People like Mike Ganondakis, president of Ohio Right to Life, agree that the law is needed.
5, 6, 7-year-old boys and girls should just be talking about playing with their toys or going outside having fun, not these life-changing decisions. So you set these laws in place now, not just for the here and now, but for the future as well.
Kids aren't making these decisions. They're not of legal age. They're not 18. So it's the parents and the medical doctors that make these decisions.
Ganondakis points out that another part of the law is the Save Women's Sports Act to ban transgender athletes from participating on teams that align with their gender identity at all levels, including college.
My daughter's going to be a senior next year. She's an athlete, and she should not have to be competing against boys. This law ensures girls play girls sports and boys play boys sports.
Now, the lawsuit that's being heard next week could result in the law being completely thrown out, or it could be held up.
Seeing the governor's veto being overrode was kind of very disheartening, and now we have a lawsuit, so we're cautiously optimistic.
Ultimately, this will probably get to the Ohio Supreme Court, and we're very confident that the Ohio Supreme Court will uphold the law as is. The trial begins Monday morning at 9 in Franklin County. Local for you at the State House, I'm Natalie Fahmy, NBC4.